咧讲英国王室历史的影集《王冠》，今年12月搬刷。伫戏剧内底用的道具会伫今年1月底展开1礼拜拍卖活动，而且伫拍卖进前嘛会摕出来做展示。其中包括戏剧内底戴安娜王妃伊穿的洋装，也佫有仿的黄金马车。
世界家真水的礼服摆几排，边也佫有真野目的黄金马车。Netflix 热门影集《王冠》最后一季结束，剧中的道具要进行拍卖。这场展览就是道具拍卖进前最后一摆展示出来。
This isn't just any auction. This is a really special auction, and it's been over a year in the making. And we're selling the props, the costumes, the decorative arts from all 6 seasons of The Crown.
简单连身裙配合布西甲迪瓦做的头饰，比俄罗斯香水公主的玛格丽特公主剧中角色就是穿这套婚纱行入礼堂。也佫有乌色的鸡胸坎到肩胛头的洋装，是向戴安娜王妃1994年穿的复仇之裙致敬。剧组佫向戴安娜王妃的健身穿插做基础，佫重新设计应付哈佛大学志向运动风的衫。
Wardrobe department got in touch with Harvard and they recreated one with a scoop neck just for Netflix, which is really nice. It's a really it's an original piece but made more recently rather than the 90s.
除了王室成员角色相关的道具，甲已经过身的女王伊丽莎白二世有真深的军事关系，前英国首相丘吉尔，其内底伫个帽仔解剖镜也是拍卖品之一，首相官家大门也一定爱看。
There's facade number 10. There's a reproduction of St Edward's chair, the coronation chair, which of course, we know from watching King Charles being coronated.
英国王室成员的穿插加使用物件，常常吸引全球民众受赞誉，也让影集王冠用的道具受到注目。拍卖公司负责人笑讲，甲珍贵的仿制黄金马车比，买这道具箱内底的上面，伫日常生活当中使用，就真方便咯。公司新闻，刘安编译。